FundSeeder app. The pros, the cons. What if you could prove your trading skills and get discovered by professional investors? That's the idea behind FundSeeder, a platform that connects talented traders with global capital. But how well does it work? Here are the pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. FundSeeder lets you link your brokerage accounts to track verified trading performance. No fake screenshots, no inflated claims, just real, audited data. This transparency helps skilled traders build credibility. Another major pro is opportunity. If your trading stats stand out, FundSeeder may connect you with institutional investors or hedge funds looking for emerging talent. It's a launchpad for serious traders who want to go professional. The analytics are another win. You get advanced performance metrics like Sharpe ratios, drawdowns, and volatility, the kind of data professionals use daily. Now for the cons. FundSeeder isn't a social trading app or brokerage, it's a discovery platform. You don't trade directly on it. It also requires consistent results over time before you can attract attention. The surprising truth? FundSeeder isn't about quick fame, it's about proving discipline and skill. For serious traders, it's one of the few platforms where talent actually gets noticed. If you're confident in your trading strategy, FundSeeder might be your gateway from home trader to professional fund manager.